This is a OnePlus 3, the official packing by OnePlus, with a 3 mark on the front side of the box. Well, nothing seems new on it. The box looks same as OnePlus 2. Hey, how are you guys? Your mate Ritik from nursedust.com here. If you are looking for the unboxing of OnePlus 3, keep watching this video. OnePlus doesn't mention any of its specs on the back side of the box. Let's unbox it. Yes, this is the compass I use for unboxing Lenovo Vibe K5 Plus also. Compass from my junior classes. There's no seal on the box. Let me just take it out. Oh, the device has fallen. Well, it seems pretty nice and hard as well. A strong device, not like Redmi Note 3 or LE1S or LE2. Well, those are not comparable devices as they are much below the price range of OnePlus 3. It's a premium device and also seems like a premium device. Let's check out what's in it. Yeah, it's all the paperwork and also the SIM ejector. Nothing more inside it. It's all the user manual and the warranty card. And yes, the OnePlus sticker. Not actually a sticker. This is the most interesting thing in there. The dash charging cable and the dash charger seems to be most popular chargers these days. The cable is a Type-C cable which fits well in the OnePlus 3. Also the OnePlus 2 comes with the USB Type-C, but it may not support fast charging as OnePlus 3. It's a long cable, a 1 meter long cable. Nice packing by OnePlus. Seems interesting. Let's pack all other things back and just take out the SIM ejection tool. It's pretty hard inside it. Okay, it is it. So now let's put my hands on the device. That's the sticker on the back panel. The SIM tray. 2 nano SIM cards can be used in it. They just use this black duplicate placing just to cover the place of the SIM card. Let's place it back in the device. I'll be adding my SIM cards later. So let's turn it on. That's the cool OnePlus logo. And here comes the Oxygen OS logo. It's just a quick setup. I'll get back to you guys after this setup. Yeah, so I just completed the setup and I am back. This is the home screen with the Never Settle on it. Same as OnePlus 1 and OnePlus 2. Also the OnePlus 6. Powered with Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Really feels a premium device in hand. There's a camera. Takes picture quite well. A little flicker can be seen in the low light conditions when I use it at a faster pace. We'll be involving all these things in the review also. Well, it's just an unboxing and it's just a quick test, making a proper test on it later. Well, the pics are otherwise fine if there will be no such conditions. This OnePlus logo on the back looks really premium. So I just set a fingerprint on the sensor. It's pretty quick. Even the fingerprint is detected at 180-degree rotation, while other devices with this fingerprint sensor do not detect it so quick and so accurately. Also, OnePlus claims that the fingerprint support gets better and better after the daily usage. It just adjusts with your fingers. Well, there's an update soon after unboxing it. We'll be updating it later. So that's all about it. Seems a pretty nice and premium device in hand. We'll be making a review on it soon. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Stay subscribed. Thanks for watching. Namaste.